Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading novels.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes when I have time.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you watch TV a lot?
Not much, just sometimes.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love cats.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Do you work or study?
I study at university.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a book.
What are you watching?
A comedy show.
Are you busy?
A little bit.
Do you exercise?
Yes, every morning.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am.
May I join you?
Sure, come on.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Could you pass me the fruits?
Of course.
Shall we go out?
Yes, let's go.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Shall I open the window?
Yes, it's hot in here.
Would you like to come along?
I'd love to.
Can I try this on?
Sure, the fitting room is there.
What would you like to order?
A cheeseburger, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
Here you go.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we do.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
What do you think?
I think it's great.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I have an interview.
What's the problem?
I lost my wallet.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Is it going to rain?
Maybe later.
What's the date today?
It's May 5th.
Is it your birthday?
Yes, today is my birthday.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Is this yours?
Yes, it is.
Do you want to go now?
Not yet.
Shall we start?
Let's do it!